My name's Angie and I'm from Lake Stevens, Washington. I had a sinus lift and an implant. Well, number one is the expense. For a sinus lift and implant, it was going to cost me close to $4,000. That's without the crown and abutment. So I chose to come to Mexico, where it's warm and sunny and wonderful. 1,600. I went to Algodones, and the town, I walked around by myself and felt quite safe. Everybody was very polite. You do have vendors approaching you, but there was no hassling. I felt completely comfortable. I loved it. I've been on an airplane twice. And I was really nervous about flying by myself. But that was a pleasant experience as well. I had a little grandma sit beside me and I asked her if she'd hold my hand, and she did. So that was just from Seattle to Phoenix. From Phoenix to Yuma, I was just fine. Just coming into the airport, I had a driver waiting for me. He drove me across the border and right to my hotel, Hacienda. It was wonderful, authentic, comfortable. I wouldn't have stayed at a Marriott. Wonderful. I chose them because I have a very close friend who works for them and answered all my questions, and I felt like she was going to take care of all my, tell me how to do the traveling, how it was going to be going across the border, what hotel to stay at in Algodones, and that's why. Great. I couldn't have done it on my own, really. I would have been too afraid. Oh my goodness. You walk in there and first they call you in, you have a consult, and then you're out, and then you're back in. So instead of traveling back to the dental office for the second appointment, you get it right that day. I loved it. You just sat there until everything was done, and then they brought you back to your hotel. Gracious. They answered all my questions. They didn't hurry through it. They were just fabulous. The doctor was amazing. He did really good work. I wasn't afraid. I was really at ease with him and the whole staff. Absolutely. I've already recommended to 2 friends.